day-to-day basis, we have to analyze information, financial information most of the time, and support our client, give them advices based on financial information. In our field, things are moving forward way faster than people realize it. So if you're curious how you should improve your field and how you could make your job better, because it's what brought me here. I mean, I have some coding experience, but not that much. So I was quite scared. Could it work, could it not work? And I think it's perfect. I mean, if you have a little bit of experience in statistics and coding, but just a little bit as I had, you're gonna learn great things. I mean, in the first day you learn how to do a machine learning model at the basic, of course, and in the day two you get more instrument, more features to tweak it up, and so I think it's built very good. It keeps you challenged. I think it's best suited for people that are curious about the idea of data science. It really gives you a lot of ideas. It makes you think how you should think, and not to be scared about machine learning, because it's a big word, but when you come here you will really learn that step by step you can start doing something with it. I come here and now I know how to do a machine learning model. I mean, it's fantastic.